Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll set up a booking calendar, choose an available appointment, and verify the booking. From Flow Agent's Open AI Knowledge Hub and select Calendar. Under Tools, select Add Calendar. Start with a clear calendar name and description so your team knows what this calendar is designed for. Next, choose the members responsible for the calendar and set your business hours. You can choose how long is the appointment duration. Under Advanced Settings, confirm the calendar time zone. Slot interval controls how frequently appointment start times are offered. Buffer time creates space between bookings, while minimum notice prevents appointments from being booked too close to the start time. Booking horizon controls how far into the future customers can schedule. You can also set the maximum number of attendees and choose the preferred slot behavior. If needed, you can also configure meeting options. You can also share the booking page directly with customers. Then click Save. The calendar is now ready for booking. To let a customer book directly, open the calendar menu and copy the booking link. Now open the link in a separate browser to test the experience from the customer's side. The booking page displays the available dates and appointment times based on the calendar settings you configured. Choose an available date and time to continue. Enter the customer details required by the booking page. Then confirm the booking. The appointment is now confirmed. Return to Mampu AI to verify the booking. Open calendar and switch to schedule. New appointment will appear on the calendar. Open the appointment to verify the booking details. Your team can review the booking and use the available management controls when changes are needed. If needs to cancel the appointment, open the booking record and use cancel appointment. You can also block unavailable periods such as lunchtime, so customers cannot book appointments during those hours. Next tutorial, we'll explore Mampu AI reports and learn how to review conversation, agent, and team performance. Subscribe for next tutorial.